Oh, I didn't even do it. Okay. So this is 1/32 gauge, 1/32 N3. So it's 3-foot gauge, 1/32. And then the engine's battery powered.
Mm-hmm.
It runs off a little blue thing. Like that, right there. Yeah, like that.
Yeah.
That is cool.
And these up here are all track powered. I haven't converted any of them over to. I switch out them.
So that's the switch bar. This is all just styrofoam, right? Valve.
Yeah, it's a insulation.
Well, with these, if they all go the same speed, you just regulate them by adding or removing cars then, huh?
Yeah. Well, some of them I geared them a little bit different. Some are faster than others a little bit, and some are real soft.
And they're all made out of brass and wood.
Well, the locomotives are all brass. Yeah.
So this is like the big E stuff. In Europe, they do something called HOE, which is all tiny stuff.
Yep.
And the whole idea is you make a layout in like 2 by 3 feet, and then you run them around like these. And how long does it take you to build one of these engines?
Oh, I know. It depends how much time I got. During the COVID lockdown, I did quite a bit. That's when I built this layout.
Cool. And then up above, you got this other one. This is what size up here?
That's about 1/19 scale.
1/19 scale. So that would be, it's even bigger than G gauge then.
A little bit, yeah.
And then the track gauge, what is that, about
It's
2 inches?
It's the same as O standard gauge, which is 2 1/4.
Oh,
Yeah,
it's
2
the same as the
1/4.
Lionel standard gauge?
Yeah, or 1 1/4.
So that means with this, you can use the like Grant Line motors and all that stuff. A Northwest Short Line. This is a bathroom right here, huh? Here it comes.
See if I can clear this one out.
Yeah, these all have actually, these have KD couplers.
Mm-hmm.
That's got the hook and loop, or what do you call that? Oh, link and pin.
Like it,
Yeah. And your dump cars even dump?
side dumps, yeah.
Fantastic. Oh, let's see this one. And that's a bathroom in that car, or just a freight car?
Ah, just a freight car. A lot of this stuff is modeled after European.
So do you make your own wheels and stuff too?
Some of them I've made, most of the wheels I bought. And it's a pain in the wazoo to make wheels.
So it's easier for you just to buy them. And
Yeah.
that's a hell of a switch motor.
So I buy the wheels and then re-gauge them for whatever gauge I need.
And how long you been working on all this stuff?
Well, we moved here in '04, so
So you've been 20 years into this, huh?
yeah. But you know, it's just a hobby. It's not something that's. What do we got here? I haven't run this stuff in quite a while.
So that's just a little can motor from a toy in there running a gear.
Yeah, just a little. Exactly.
Wow.
There we go. It's stuck.
And then these are the Chinese
Yeah.
things. Yeah. That is cool. So your next step is you need to put horns in them, right?
Yeah, horns are and sound, motor sound. Let's see. For
Cool.
some reason, these are on the same frequency. I don't know why I did that.